at Poona in Queensland. It's a really lovely little fishing village. So why would you come to Poona, Marky?
Well, because it is Winnie friendly.
Dog friendly, absolutely. You can have dogs here. There's an off-leash park, and Winston had a lot of fun playing with some friends there yesterday afternoon. And you can take your dog to like the cafe and the bar, which is just on the waterfront here, or a very cute little cafe across the road where we just had some very yummy morning tea.
Yeah, how cute was the cafe?
Very cute.
And it's a general store too. It's like Poona Time it runs on over there.
And it's got absolutely everything. Yeah, why else would you come to Poona?
Oh, because the caravan park's beautiful. It's got a swimming pool.
It does.
And like you said, an off-leash area, camp kitchen, and it's all just so dog friendly. It's even got a dog wash.
It's just really peaceful and quiet. If you want to get away from the hustle and bustle of life and just come and be in a restful place that's quiet and everyone is so friendly, then Poona is for you.
Yeah, and it's a great little fishing village too. So if you're into fishing,
100%. Yeah.
There's so much fishing here. A lot of the people in the caravan park have got their own boat, or if they're staying in a cabin, you see all the fishing rods outside the cabin.
And you can just sit and watch the tide come in and out, like it was in this morning, but it's heading out
it's
now,
right
so
out.
it'll be right out.
Make sure you check out the drone footage because I filmed this morning and the tide was right in, and I'm going to go and film again shortly, and the tide's going right out.
And that's Fraser out there, Mark?
Yes.
Is that right?
Fraser Island.
Yep.
So Poona's about halfway between Tin Can Bay and Maryborough.
Yeah.
This was a site that we had. It was Site 56, and it was nice and secluded and gave Winston a play area outside the van. The camp kitchen was situated at the entrance to the caravan park, and it was just on the other side of beautifully landscaped gardens. And it has everything that you could possibly need in there, including a nice relaxed area where you can sit down and watch TV. And the park staff kept everything looking absolutely spotless. And just on the other side of the camp kitchen, they have this beautiful covered pool area that you can enjoy. The caravan park has easy access down to the water, and it does have a couple of waterfront sites and also numerous cabins. And the sunrise here is not to be missed. This is our little Winston, who does not like going in the water at all.
Seen some dogs now.
I've seen some dogs. If you're ever in Poona, make sure you call in at the Poona Cafe. When he's sitting there, it's such a quaint shop. It's got everything in it.
It's adorable. And yummy things to eat.
And I think we might come back for dinner tonight. So we're here for dinner tonight. So we're going to try their fish and chips.
Yes.
Are you having fish and chips as well? Snapper and chips?
Winston, it's okay.
Oh, both doing Zoom. Hello. Oh, we nearly got run over. Winston, bring it here.